So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to see your backup details. So on your Google Drive. So the first thing to do after you open up your Google Drive like this, so now you click on this My Drive. So after you select this My Drive, so from there, now it will show you all your data in the Google Drive. So now you scroll to down and find the folder that you want to see. So let's say this is the folder. If you open the folder like this, so from there you'll be able now to see all the files inside the folder. And if you go back here, you'll be able now to see all your files inside the Google Drive. And the next thing, you can click on this computer again. So under my computer, if you have any data that you just sign in from your computer to your Google Drive, the data will be available for you in this option. But if you just get the backup from your mobile phone or somewhere, you can just see the data. All your data they will be in this option under My Drive, and the folders and the file will be in this option. And that's it, guys, on how to see all your backup details in the Google Drive. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.